Oh my God. Wait, that is so, what am I looking at here?
We're going to see what shops stop my scroll. As we go into Etsy, if something grabs my attention, I'm going to stop and I'm going to shop. But when I get there, will I want to buy it, try it, or will I want to just scroll on by? We're going to find out. In this critique, I will check photo quality, decide if I trust this shop, look at the reviews, see the description, and then I will give my rating. Right, so the homepage picture that grabbed me and pulled me in was this here. So this popped off the page when I was scrolling through Etsy, so let's give it a review. This is also an Etsy pick. It was my pick out of the crowd, and I believe it was because of this guy right here in the front pillow. That is really, really unique. So let's go ahead. It's called the Ugly Pillow, a custom ugly pillow for a friend, a hot ugly cat, a pet pillow, a gift. So all of these are actually pillows, which I guess with the description I'm just seeing, and that is super, super cute. Let's look at the pricing. Okay, so there's different sizes here, 14-inch to 28 inches, which gives me a lot of size options, and they've also put some photos in so I can see the different options. I love that they have, oh my God, wait, that is so cute. Wait, is that 3? Hold on, what am I looking at here? Oh, that is so cute. I love that. So it looked like it had a zipper so that I can wash it. And it looks like they're taking photographs and they're putting it onto these pillows. And then they're showing me an infographic of the sizing, which I love. So do I trust this shop right now? I do. I do trust this shop. And the one thing that I'm noticing that the video showed me, let's go back here, was it showed me the underside, which I wouldn't have probably guessed that it looked like it had a zipper and I can unzip, take out the stuffing. Yeah, right there. Okay, that is really cool. So let's look at the, okay, so you can choose from your head or your body. That's a really unique idea here. Let's look at the reviews. Okay, so they have 800 reviews. They have 4.5 stars. Funny, I loved it. Exactly as described. So social proof is here. The social proof for this shop is looking really good. Let me go to the homepage and see what else. Okay, this is super cute. Visually, this is really, really nice. It's called EJ by, I can't read. Okay, so you might want to work on a little bit of your shop name. It's hard to read all of this. I don't know if this EJ by or trait design. I'm not sure, but those are really close together. So I can't. EJ by portrait design. EJ by portrait design. Okay, this is still a little bit tough to read. This was harder to read, so I would probably space that a little bit. For me, it was pretty difficult. So let's look at the shop here. So the pricing looks really good. Visually, this is funny. I'm curious. This dog almost looks real. That's a pillow. Yeah. I mean, it looks real. This is great pricing. I have a lot of options here. They've got great social proof. They have, been around for a bit because they have almost 5,000 reviews. And so you can pick from different things like a character, a pet, a keychain, a coin purse, gifts for men. Okay, so they've got their categories here. So this shop has social proof. It was visually appealing. I've never seen anything like it, so it stood out from the crowd. This is definitely something that I would purchase. I would buy it. I would try it. This is unique. It's giftable. It's cute. I think you guys are doing a great job here in this shop. I completely love this, and good job. So this shop, if I had to rate it from a 1 out of 5, I would definitely give it a 5.